Video showing you how you can easily make a sketchbook using just a ruler, a pencil, and 4 sheets of paper, and then a pair of scissors as well. So I have my scissors right here. So those are all that you need for this project. This is great for elementary grades, middle, even high school, if you want to make a quick, easy book. So I take 2 sheets of the paper, I tap them together, and then I fold them in half and make a little book. When I set that aside, then I do the same thing. Grab the next 2 sheets of paper, tap them together, fold them in half, make a book. Okay, so then I have those 2 right here. And then I'm going to open to the middle, and then I use the ruler here, and then I line it up. And then I'm just going to measure 1 inch, and I just have students make a little mark. And then up here, I'm just going to mark 1 inch from the edge of the paper, and they have to make it on the little fold. Okay, all right, so once you have that, use your scissors, cut a little bit past those marks, keep the 2 sheets of paper together, and then set that aside. The other one along the fold edge, I'm just going to take my ruler, line it up, make a mark on the fold, and this is along the outside, along the spine of it, and then I'm going to make a 1 inch mark right there. Okay, and then I have students cut into that mark and then make a big long mouth and then cut back out. So they get this one little scrap of paper, and then I tell them, well, you know, you're going to have a mouth of a monster right here, and then you're going to feed your monster a burrito. So I take the other 2 sheets that have the flaps on the edges, and then we roll it up into a long burrito, and I hold it kind of like a little flag, I tell them. Then they open up the inside of their monster's mouth. They slide this in, and then once they get past the little flap, you're just going to unravel and then roll it, and then it fits in, and then it will fold shut nice and flat. So that's how you make a really easy sketchbook. And the nice thing about this is you can keep having students make more burritos. You can slide them into the middle, so you're not having to worry about stapling, or you can't add any more pages. And so it works out really well. And these are easy to store because they're half of an 8.5 by 11 letter size sheet of paper. And just using those simple tools. No tape, no glue, no staples. And that's how you make your sketchbook.